Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick, man. I just want to invite you guys to come out or tune in tonight at 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. The day is April the 9th. Okay. The day is Thursday, and normally I would try to do Tech Talk Thursday on Thursday. Okay. With it being slow and considering the pandemic we're in, this is a good time to do that. So I just want to invite you over and tune in. I'm gonna speak on some of the channel's accomplishments and one particular video accomplishments I want to talk about, and of course Q&A. Can't leave out Q&A, of course. Some Q&A, guys. So if you're not doing anything this evening, 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, come over and join me, man. Let's chop it up, man. Talk about some cars, some automotive, and whatever else y'all want to talk about. I'm open for any topic except politics and religions. Okay, those are too polarizing and they can get you in trouble. So guys, tune in tonight, guys. I'll see y'all tonight.